Welcome to SOC 455 Organizational Sociology. This is a quick tour of the Organizational Sociology course website. There will be some variation from professor to professor, but there are a few basics that every student should know. First of all, on the course website, if you look to the left, you will find the navigation menu. The upper part of that menu at the top, where it starts with the name SOC 455 Organizational Sociology, is your homepage menu. It includes basic information such as announcements, where your professor will post announcements, usually information that might be specific to your professor, but will also include a general syllabus that applies to all sections of SOC 455, but also your course outline, course schedule, and other information. It will also likely include a link to a virtual office where you can ask professors questions. To access many of these features, you just go to the title, click on it, and it will take you to the page, such as the virtual office, where you can click Create a Thread, scroll down, type in a question, and click Submit, and it will post your question. Check back to the virtual office to look for answers to your questions from your professor. Also in that home menu, you'll find a calendar where you can add your own reminders and appointments, as well as see ones that the professor might be posting, such as deadlines for written assignments, reminders for your midterm and final, and other little reminders for the calendar. If you wish to make an appointment, to click an appointment and create an event, you just click the day, write down what you would like to remember, such as do my homework, have my reading done, go out for a cheeseburger, include the date, the time. If it's an all-day event, click all day, and then click Save, and your event will be saved and become part of your course calendar. Your course calendar it actually goes beyond this particular course and will show up in future courses. Also under that home menu, if you go to Blackboard Collaborate, this is where your live course sessions will take place. Your professor will likely have created specific scheduled sessions that you can attend. Those will appear down here. But you can also join the general course room if it's unlocked, where you can meet with your professor. Just click on any session and click Join Course Room to dial into the room. Underneath the general home menu, you'll find the weekly course menu. Each week of this 4-week course has its own weekly page where you'll find learning activities, kind of an outline of the course with objectives, the reading assignments with chapter PowerPoints to go with each chapter in the book that you're reading, other web enrichments and course material, including different videos, and you'll find links to the assignments required that week. In weeks 2 and 4, you'll also find links to your midterm and final exams, respectively. You'll also find a link to the week 1 Collaborate session and to the weekly Collaborate session on each of these weekly pages. Just click on the title and it will take you there. Okay, so make sure you take a moment at the beginning of each week and scroll through it to see what's coming. When you go back to the home menu and you click on any of the course information, specifically your course outline, you will find information including a course schedule that includes due dates. But if you have any question about what is due when you're looking at the weekly course pages, please email your professor or post the question on the virtual office. Beneath the weekly course pages, you'll find the course resources page. This is where your professor will post specific information to help you with your assignments, such as the research writing tutorial, webliography with links to important websites that can help you write your papers. In this case, there's APA templates. You'll also find information that will help you with the course, such as the objectives of the course. You'll also find sample papers, any sample papers that your professor is posting, and any other content that they've chosen to include under your course resources page. So that's under course resources, just below the weekly pages in your left navigation menu. One other place I wish to show you, so if you go into the upper right corner, now remember your professor is a sociology professor and not tech support. So if you want tech support, your professor might be able to help you with some of the basics. But if you've changed computers and are having trouble joining the live sessions, if you're having trouble accessing an assignment or a video, click support here and call the Blackboard support number at 1-888-892-9095. You can also email learn@nu.edu. One important idea is to write down that telephone number or that email address so that if you can't access the single portal into your National University course site, you will be able to still call tech support so that they can help you. And then you click home to go back to the list of courses, and then you can click the link to your course. And that's it. Those are the basics of the SOC 455 organizational course website. Don't forget to explore a little bit. Make sure you read your course outline and syllabus, and be sure to check with your professor if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy your SOC 455 organizational sociology class.